In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section. Then click on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!